PVC rain gutter packing process. Welcome to our packaging facility. We stack freshly made rain gutters based on their specialized profiles to maximize spatial efficiency for transport. Manual compression removes gaps between the gutters, reducing logistics costs for our partners. Stacks are tied with industrial twine to prevent shifting during long-distance shipping. We fit heavy-duty plastic sleeve over the whole bundle. Our team tensions and cuts the film precisely. High-tack tape seals both ends against dust and ocean moisture. Central wrap completes our side point reinforcement. Standardized process ensures safe premium delivery for global partners. Goods are ready for loading and overseas shipment.